Practical gain tuning. KP and KI are technical parameters referred to as gains that can alter how a controller behaves when it needs to follow a desired value, which is often called a reference point. In solo, these gains only need to be calibrated once and are then stored in your unit's memory. However, you should review and potentially adjust them if there are changes in your system, such as using a different motor, sensor, or when the task itself changes. To put it simply, increasing the value of KP makes the controller more responsive, causing it to react faster but potentially more aggressively. On the other hand, increasing KI enhances the controller's ability to closely follow the reference point, but can also raise the risk of instability. If you're focused on torque control, you only need to calibrate the current gains. Additionally, you can perform an auto-tune operation within the motion terminal. For speed control, you should calibrate the current gains first, and then adjust the speed gains on top of them. Finally, if you're aiming for precise position control, you should calibrate the current gains, then fine-tune the speed gains, and further refine the position gains.